Canon has recently shifted its focus from high-end professional cameras to entry-level models for photography enthusiasts and newcomers in its EOS R series. Amid much anticipation, there's growing curiosity about when, or if the Canon EOS R1 will finally make its debut. In this video, we aim to provide you with the latest information on the Canon EOS R1 and discuss our expectations regarding this exciting release. But if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content like this. The Canon EOS R1 is expected to offer around 45 megapixels, striking a balance between image quality and practicality. This choice is particularly relevant for professional contexts such as sports photography, where rapid image transfer and processing are essential. Although the inclusion of a global shutter is uncertain, there are speculations about its integration. This technology could help mitigate rolling shutter issues commonly encountered with electronic shutters, making it a significant enhancement for the EOS R series. Information about the camera's video capabilities is limited, but there are expectations that the camera's video features and firmware will be developed by the Cinema EOS team. Canon's primary goal with the EOS R1 is to deliver the best electronic viewfinder (EVF) experience. The EVF is expected to boast the highest resolution in the market, ensuring a clear and detailed view for photographers. Moreover, it is likely to offer high refresh rate options and eliminate viewfinder blackout, ensuring a seamless shooting experience. Notable leaks have also revealed potential specifications for the Canon R1, including the use of a modified LPE19 battery, dual CFX per CFA card slots, and a possible customizable color top-down display. Let's focus on the Canon R1's design, with one standout feature being its impressive bold panel on the rear. According to sources, this screen is anticipated to be larger than any currently available, possibly around 4 inches, aiming to offer photographers an immersive visual experience. It's important to note that despite the impressive features of the Canon EOS R3, it is not Canon's flagship mirrorless camera. That title belongs to the EOS R1, which is the mirrorless counterpart to their established 1D DSLR series, according to Canon rumors. Prototypes of the EOS R1 are currently in the hands of some photographers for testing. One intriguing aspect of the Canon R1 is the potential use of AI technology and machine learning for autofocus and other functions. However, it's essential to approach such claims with caution, as they are largely speculative. While a global shutter could eliminate rolling shutter effects, it tends to be a costly technology to develop. Canon typically lets others test such technologies first, so it's possible that they will opt for stacked BSI technology instead to achieve faster readout speeds. As for when we can expect the Canon R1 to be officially announced, there's speculation that it might coincide with the 2024 Olympics in Paris. However, it's crucial to remain skeptical as nothing has been confirmed yet. The Canon R1 is poised to be Canon's new flagship camera, and its expected price range is between $5,000 and $8,000, which aligns with its high-end specifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section below. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing, and as always, thank you for watching.